Hello kids, today we will enjoy rainy season with themed activity. Please watch the video till last and enjoy rainy season. Children, rainy season is the most pleasant and prosperous season of all other seasons. Rainy season themed activity we enjoy rainy sound, rainbow, how to make paperboard, thunder and lighting, flood, greenery, rainy clothes, rainy creatures and rainy crops. Come, let's see the rainy season and enjoy rain sound. Rainbow activity with CD. Learn rainbow colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red too. Kids enjoy dancing rainy season. Lighting and thunder. Now we will see the lighting and thunder which occurs in rainy season. Children like to play with paper boats during the rainy season. Come on kids, we learn how to make paper board. We wear rainy clothes in rainy season. Raincoats, gumboot, rain hat and use umbrellas. Rainy creatures: tortoise, snake, peacock, earthworm, frog, snail, mosquitoes, houseflies, ants, flood, greenery, rainy crops. groundnut, sugarcane, cotton, corn, soya bean, rice. Monsoon is incomplete without corn and पकौड़ा। तो बच्चों, इस रेनी सीजन में आप पकौड़े और भुट्टे का आनंद लीजिए।